Hello friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin'. I'm super duper excited that you're here with me today because I have a new product to show you that I've been dying to show you. And so I'm going to show it to you. This is a new product from My Sweet Petunia, the same person that created the Misty, and this product is genius. So I'm going to show it to you and you're going to be wowed and amazed, and I'm going to give you all the details as I show it. This is the new Precision Glue Press from Misty, or My Sweet Petunia. I tend to call the company Misty. That's not really what the name is. So I'm going to open this up and show it to you. Get it out. Okay, this is how it comes. Just like this. No extra crazy packaging, which I love. Very simple. It's got a rubber band holding it in place. Fantastic. Save this rubber band. Don't get rid of it because it's giant and awesome and big and you should keep it. And then it comes with one glue bottle of, this is Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive, but don't worry if you don't like this glue or you've never used this glue, don't you worry, I have a plan for you because I have a favorite glue too. Okay, so this is the tray that the press sits in. You put your glue bottle in like this. Let's just take the lid off and I'll show you. The lid goes right here like this. Isn't it pretty? And then this goes in and then you have to really push this and make sure you've popped it all the way forward, okay? Now let me get a piece of paper. I'm going to use just a little piece of black paper for you so you can see. And then you squeeze. Oh, brilliant. Look at how perfect this is. The harder you squeeze, the more the glue comes out. You can see it's a little thicker here, a little thinner here. It has that beautiful precision tip. Now, this is the part of this product that makes it insanely amazing. Down inside of here, there's this little bitty, like, bubbly thing, and it's silicone. When you rest your glue like so, I'm going to try to show it to you. If you can see down in there, your little needle pushes into that silicone and it never clogs. It never clogs. So I have been using this and it works amazing. And then there's an extra bottle so that you can fill this bottle with any glue you want. And same thing, you just are gonna twist the whole lid off. It's open. And my very favorite glue is the Tombow Mono Multi Glue. So you can just go like this. I take this side off. Whoa! Whoops. There was a little pressure built up in there apparently. There we go. This bottle didn't have very much glue left in it. It was almost empty. So I'm going to get another bottle out. Okay. So the beauty of this is that I can use either one of these, which of course you know means I need 2 glue stands because I like this Nuvo glue also. But this one is my favorite, and I am, here, we're going to have to put this lid back on until it quits working. Okay, we'll just squeeze, squeeze. And then you can just label this bottle Tombow, obviously. Whoops. There we go. That one's empty. And then you just add this back on and you're set to go. And obviously when you put this upside down, the glue is going to drain down when you put it in the press. But I do want to show you one other thing about these bottles, just so you know. So if I decide to take this one out of the press and use a different one, there is a needle in here. Okay. So you just make sure to line that needle up, get it in, glue, screw it back on, and you're good to go. So now I've got my Tombow glue, which I love, and this glue, which I love. I do prefer the Tombow glue though, I can't lie. Can't lie about that. You know, I always tell you the truth. And there we have it. Is that not the coolest thing ever? So the product, the cost of this product is, for the whole box, is $34.95. You get the press, the extra glue bottle, the bottle full of glue, which is a great value, and the stand and everything, and this cute little box. Perfect. So anyway, I just wanted to show it to you. It's a brand new product that's just been released. We're gonna make a card now that I can finally show it to you on a video. We're gonna get busy and make a card, okay? Okay, for this card, we're gonna use Concord and Ninth ink. I'm using dragon fruit, spice cider, honeycomb, avocado, and tide pool. And then I've got some little blending brushes and then a whole bunch of pieces of scrap basic white thick cardstock, and we're just gonna make our own colors. And I wanted to show you this because, for a couple of reasons. First, because I wanted you to see how easy it is to color your own cardstock. So I do not have any cardstocks in the colors I just showed you. All I have is the ink. And so this is a great way, if you only have the inks of specific colors, to make your cardstock colorful. And I just thought it would be really fun to show it to you here and let you see how I do this. I just really don't want to make the investment in other colors of cardstock right now. And, you know, everybody I think right now is on a little bit of a budget with economy the way it is. The cost of everything is just going up and up and up. And so this is just one of those little economical tricks that no matter what ink colors you're buying, as long as you have white cardstock, you can make any color cardstock you want. As long as you have ink, some sort of blending tool, and white cardstock. Okay, so we're gonna ink blend all of these, but I need to also jump into some story time here. If you're brand new here and you're watching this video for the first time, hello. I have to tell you up front that my videos are card making, but they're also kind of like vlogging, where I share about my life and things that are going on and stuff like that. And that's really not everybody's jam. I totally get that. No need to leave any sort of a nasty comment. You can just click off the video, or you can mute me, put on some music, watch your favorite show, and watch me make this card and watch it come together. But my friends that have been around here for a long time, we have built a online community and a relationship, and the people who really enjoy my videos depend on me doing, or I shouldn't say depend, they look forward to me doing story time and chit-chatting with them about what's going on in my life. So with that, let's talk about it. As I continue to ink blend these and put this card together. This card is super simple, but so cute when it's finished. What's been happening? Well, everything. I have not been on YouTube very much. As you know, my last video was last Tuesday. Usually I have videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Life has just been crazy. So we've had sports physicals for my daughter. She's getting back into water polo. I didn't really see that coming. I thought that she was not going to do water polo since she has a horse now, but we're trying to make both things work. She took a summer college course. So that's been keeping us busy with me, just like trying to keep up with her and stay on top of things. I think the last time I talked to you, I shared all about the fair and her selling her pigs, and that all went well. And then it's just been mayhem. So let me tell you what happened yesterday. First of all, I posted earlier this week saying I wasn't even going to have a single video this week because it's the last week, well, half week. Macy started back to school today. So I have been doing all the mom things, getting ready for back to school. You all know what that is. If you have kids, have a friend with kids, anybody who's ever seen a kid in their life, you know there's stuff involved in going back to school. So we've been busy with that. during the fair, I stupidly put which was over the last weekend of July, I stupidly put my glasses in my purse and didn't put them in their carrying case. And when I did that, I didn't think of the fact that there was a nail file in my purse. Are you seeing where I'm going with this? So the nail file scratches my lenses. Let's be honest, it was time for me to go get a new prescription anyway, because I'm getting to a mature age and things are a little harder to read close up. So I'm extremely nearsighted, which means I can't see far away. And my prescription is very high. It's a very heavy prescription. So I go to the eye doctor. While I'm there, they're like, hey, we're going to go ahead and dilate your eyes also. So you know how that goes. So I have all that done. Okay, fast forward to yesterday. I had ordered glasses through Target. Like, I went there, picked some out that I liked. There was a nice man who helped me. His name was Cisco. But I can't see very well, and I don't have the knowledge that the eye people have. Anyway, apparently when you have a really large prescription, or heavy or high prescription, I'm not sure how to say that. Apparently it's best to wear thinner framed glasses, like not super big and bulky like square ones, but like more like little rectangular size. It's better to wear them like that, and it's also better to go with a light frame. So I wear the plastic frames. So they recommend going with like a light color frame. Somehow it kind of like makes the big thick lenses look a little better. Anyway, so Cisco didn't really explain that to me, and I picked out a pair of black frames because I've really missed having black frame glasses. So yesterday I go to pick them up. I got a phone call that they came in. I go to pick them up. I take them out of the thing to put them on and try them on, make sure everything's right. And I am horrified at how thick these lenses are coming out the side. They are like Coke bottle glasses. Now, I want to tell you, I want to say this ahead, that if you wear glasses that are like that, I by no means want to make anybody feel badly, but I struggle with having self-esteem, okay? I think a lot of people do. I don't think I'm alone in this. So anything that like adds to or detracts from how I feel about myself is a struggle for me. So all of that being said, I was like, wow, these are legit like huge Coke bottle glasses. And my prescription had gone up like a half a point. I don't know what they call it for each lens. So they're telling me, well, that's how it is, da 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 da. And I'm like, okay, look. I can't do this. I can't wear these. They're bad. And they were black frames. And she's like, well, first of all, and this is the other lady that works there. I think her name's Christine. Super nice. And she's the one that I normally have. She goes, first of all, I'm not sure why you got black rims. And second of all, these are too big. And I was like, well, Cisco didn't make that super clear to me. And she was like, well, he said he tried to talk you out of black rims. I'm like, okay, yeah. But there's a difference between like trying to gently talk somebody out of something and being like, look, with your prescription, these are not going to work. They're going to look horrible. Had he said that to me, I would have been like, okay. But that's not what he did. Anyways, really quick, back to the card. So here I just want to show you, look at this. The precision of this glue is amazing because you have so much control using it in a gun form. I just love this thing. It's fantastic. And what I really, really, really wanted to do was do a video for you with a whole bunch of little tiny die cut pieces that we had to glue together to show you how nice it was to have this little precision and then have the control in your hand and not trying to squeeze a bottle. This thing is phenomenal, and I just don't have any of those dies. So I wanted to say, if you know a company or have a suggestion for a die set that is really fun layering dies where you like layer all the bits and pieces up to make the image, let me know in the comments below. Maybe you have a suggestion for me. Anyways, so I went home with the glasses. They actually popped the lenses out of the black ones and put them in another pair of frames that was exactly the same brand and size, just in a different color, which ended up being like the pink that I'm laying down right now. So I don't like them. I don't like the color. And well, I should say, I love the color. I don't like them on my face. Okay. So needless to say, I'm still wearing scratch glasses and I have 90 days to figure it out. Like get a different frame, maybe contact my doctor and see if they'll put my prescription back to my old prescription and just give me the reader part, because that's the other thing is I got progressive lenses, which is new to me. So guys, all in all, bottom line is I had myself, I haven't even told you, okay, I haven't even told you the craziest part. So I get up in the morning yesterday, I drive my daughter to where her horse is, which is about 15 minutes from me. I drop her off. I come back home. I decide I'm going to drive all the way to the town where my glasses are, which is another 30 minutes in the opposite direction from my house. So I go and do that, which is at the Target. So I'm going to go get my glasses. Then I'm going to go back, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, I'm killing all these birds with the stone, right? Then I've got to go pick my niece up at another town that's 15 minutes from my house in the opposite direction of the eye doctor. Or Target, I guess I should say. So I get all the way to Target. So I've driven 15 minutes to drop my daughter off, 15 minutes back towards my house, another 35 minutes-ish to the Target. I get there, the optical department is closed and doesn't open till 10. So then I have to leave there because I have to pick my niece up at 10:30 in this town that's another 15 minutes opposite. So it's 45 minutes from the Target, 50 minutes. So I leave, go all the way, pick the niece up, bring her home, drop her off, go back and pick my daughter up at the barn, bring her home, drop her off, go back to Target, which is the 35 minutes away again. And that's when I find out the glasses situation and how much I hate them and how, So anyway, we picked a couple of other frames that they think will work better for me and that I will like better. So what I really need to do is I need to get up in the, because we had two issues. One is I felt the prescription was wrong because when I first put them on, it was like I couldn't see. That could just be because my brain needs time to adjust to the glasses. So what I really need to do is get up in the morning, like tomorrow morning, put on the new glasses and just wear them for the day, just for the prescription part, to see if I like them okay and if it's going to be okay. Because if it is, then I need to contact Target, tell them, okay, order me the other glasses. That's what I'm going to get, and then be done. If I think the prescription is wrong, then I'm going to ask Kaiser to put my prescription back to what it was, or have to maybe go back in. I don't know, people. Goodness stuff. Here is the finished card with my little black matte layer and my sequins from the Rabbit Hole Designs. This stamp set is from the Rabbit Hole Designs. And I just love this card. I love how it turned out. It's so stinking cute. If you want to purchase any products from me, you can purchase them in the links below. My link to the Misty store is in the link below as well. I am an affiliate, although it doesn't cost you any extra to order through my link. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Hope you're doing good. Bye-bye.